Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and the main focus in this video is going to be roundabouts. Let's start the lesson. So today's lesson mainly focus on roundabouts, how to drive on roundabouts, how to deal with roundabouts, the lanes and the signaling. Hopefully it's going to help you with your test. Let's go and do some driving. At the end of the road, we'll go left, mirror, mirror, signal left. Okay, make sure you keep your nice position, go around. Okay, push into first gear. I'm not stopping, I'm just rolling the car on first gear. Left again, mirror, mirror, signal left. There's no car. I've got now a few roundabouts coming up. I'm gonna mini roundabout, we're gonna go right on this mini roundabout. Mirror, mirror, signal right. This is a mini roundabout, go right on this mini roundabout. Slow down, look on my right. Is a car coming? I'm gonna stop, first gear. Another car coming, they're going the other way. Now coming off on a mini roundabout, I don't have to signal because there is no space. And if I do try to signal, I could lose the control of my steering and that could be a fail. So be careful, okay? Left on this roundabout, mirror, mirror, signal left. Left here. Look on my right early. Is there any car coming? Do I have to stop? I don't have to stop. Okay, good. Another mini roundabout coming up. Second exit, straight. On this mini roundabout, second straight. Watch if I signal as I'm coming off. Mirror, mirror. No signal on approach because I'm going straight. Look on my right. And I go round. And as I come off, mirror, mirror, I don't have to signal because I am already out. Okay? This roundabout, first left. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Look on my right. Any car coming? No car. No car. I don't have to stop. Always look early. Mirror, third gear. On this roundabout coming up, fourth exit on the right, fourth on the right, mirror, mirror, signal right. Okay, I'm looking for the gap. There's nobody there. Blind spot, change lane. Good. I'm looking on my right. Okay, I'm braking. I'm looking on my right. I'm braking. There's a bend here, so make sure you steer with the bend. Look on my right. Second gear. There's nobody there. I don't have to stop. Fourth exit on the right. That's first. Make sure the signal doesn't come off. So I'm signaling. That's number one. Make sure you count. Signal went off. Put it back on. That's number two. And three coming up, which means after three is our exit. So that's third coming up. Mirror, mirror. Mirror, mirror. Signal here. Blind spot. Lane change. Good. And keep the signal on. You haven't gone out yet. Now I am out. What am I going to do now? Signal off. Okay? This roundabout coming up, second exit, straight ahead. Second exit, straight ahead. Okay? I'm looking on my right. Looking on my right. Slow the car. If it's not second, go to second. Nobody there. That's good. In the left lane, second straight. Left lane, mirror, mirror. That's first. Here, signal left. Okay? On this roundabout coming up, fourth exit on the right. Fourth on the right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Blind spot. There's nobody there. Lane change. Slow the car. Look on my right. There is a car. Do I have the space to go? Yes, I do. Okay, I'm signaling right. Fourth on the right. Number one. It's a big roundabout. So I'm going to go to third gear. This is second. A second. That's third, which means the one coming up is ours. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Blind spot. Change lane. Good. On this roundabout coming up, second exit, straight ahead. Mirror, mirror. No signal. It's second straight. No signal. Slow the car. It's already in second gear. I'm going to go to second gear actually. It's no second gear. Look on my right. Here we go. Good. That's first. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Blind spot. It's already there. There's nobody there. I don't need to look at the blind spot in this case, but I just looked at it in case. On this roundabout coming up, we're going to go second exit, straight ahead. Second exit, straight ahead. Can you see the picture of the roundabout? 12 o'clock, second exit, straight ahead. Slow the car, no signal. Look on my right. Look on my right. Slow the car, slow the car. Second gear, nobody coming. I don't have to stop. Signal here. Good. And leave the signal on. Don't take it off yet because I haven't gone out the roundabout yet. Around here, still leave it on. Still leave it on. Don't take it off. It should come off with my steering. If it doesn't come off, I'll take it off. It came off. Mirror. Third gear. Always remember that roundabout, you always look early on your right. And if there's nobody coming, slow the car, go to second and carry on going. Don't stop. Speed is 40 here. Make sure you recognize the speed. Drive with both hands on the wheel. Best to hold it 9 and 3. This roundabout coming up, we're going to go first exit left. First exit left, and then we're going to follow Lee. L-E-E, signposted Lee. Okay? So first left, and then follow Lee. Mirror, mirror, signal left. I'm going to stay in the left lane. Slow the car. Slow the car. Look on my right. Look on my right. Second gear. Nobody coming. Nobody coming. Left lane. Now I am following Lee. Look at the sign, and I'm following Lee. Okay, mirror. Okay, Lee is second exit, straight ahead. Can you see? Second straight. I need the left lane normally, but in this case, left lane is only going left, which means I need the middle lane. Make sure you remember this. Okay? I'm going in the middle lane because left lane is not going straight. Remember, on a roundabout, for you to go straight ahead, you need the left lane. But if the left lane is not going straight, what do? You need to be in the middle lane or next to the lane. No signal. I'm about here. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Good. I'm going to signal left here. Remember, I'm following Lee. So I'm coming off the roundabout. I signal left. I'm still following Lee. Look at the sign. Which way is Lee? The Lee is second exit straight ahead, meaning I don't need signal. So I must take the signal off, which is off. Can you see? Second exit, Lee, no signal. Slow the car. Slow the car. This roundabout, I'm following Lee. I need second exit. Look on my right. Nobody there. Okay. Mirror, mirror. Around here, signal left. Lee. Can you see? So these two roundabouts, I've been told to follow the sign posted Lee, and both were roundabouts. All I have to do is see where Lee is, and according to the signpost, I need to follow which lane I need when to signal on the roundabouts. Both of the roundabouts, Lee was second exit straight ahead, meaning I needed the left lane, no signal, signal as you are coming off. Make sure you remember this, okay? If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course. At the end of the road, we'll go left. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Speed is 30 now. Can you see? Just started 30. First gear. Okay, I could go. Speed is 60 now. Can you see? I'm going to go fourth exit on the right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Fourth exit on the right. Okay. Mirror. Slow the car. Slow the car. Slow the car. Look on my right. Look on my right. No one coming. So in second gear. Number one. Remember fourth exit. Number one. That's number two. The one coming up is three. That's three. Mirror, mirror. And here, signal left. And then mirror, mirror again to change lane. Blind spot. Blind spot. Change lane. And then keep the signal on. Make sure it stays on. on the left lane, come off. What's the speed coming up? Can you see the speed? Second exit straight, mirror, no signal, so make sure it's all safe around. Slow the car, look on my right, slow the car, go to second gear, there's nobody coming. I'm going to go round, making my own lane. This roundabout doesn't have road markings, so you make your own lane. Sometimes many learners make sure that if there's no road marking, you make your own lane, okay? Don't just go straight through the middle of the roundabout. Mirror, can you see the traffic light is green? Okay, it's been there for a while, it could change, so make sure, be prepared in case it does change. Mirror, speed up. Good. If you see a traffic light and it's been there, it's been green for a while, what could happen? It could change, so prepare to stop just in case. So you slow the car and you prepare just in case it does change. Roundabout coming up, first exit left. On the roundabout, first left. So keep going. I'm quite far. I need to go a little bit more closer before I put the signal on. First left, when do I signal? Around. Can you see the roundabout sign? Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Signal left. That's good. I'm going to be looking on my right. Look on my right. No one coming. Second gear. No one coming. There we go. Leave the signal on. Make sure it stays on. It went off. I put it back on again. Around here, it will come off. Now, fourth exit on the right. Fourth on the right. Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Blind spot. Blind spot. I need the right lane. Okay. Look on my right. Look on my right. Slow the car. Slow the car. There's nobody there. I didn't need to change because it was already in second gear. That's first. Okay. Fourth exit on the right. That was first. This is second. Signal, put it back on again if it goes off. Okay. It went off twice. I had to put it back on. That's third. So make sure the signal doesn't go off. Not yet. Mirror, mirror. Now signal left. Blind spot. Blind spot. Change lane. Good. Roundabout coming up. First left. On this roundabout, first left. Mirror, mirror. Signal left around here. Start braking. Start braking. Braking. Look on my right. Look on my right. Around here. Go to second gear. There's nobody coming. Put the signal back on again. Can you see? I mean, it keeps coming off because with the steering. So make sure if it goes off, put it back on again. Here, it will come off. If it doesn't come off, what do you do? It's not coming off. So take it off. Remember, it only comes off if you do enough steering. If it's not going to come off. Okay? This is the road where in our area, our test center, the Maybush Test Center. This is the one on the left. That's the one. That's the test center. This is where all the learners take their driving test. Mostly just relax and drive, okay? As long as you know the information, as long as you know, especially we're talking about roundabouts in this video, as long as you know the roundabouts, the lane you need, when to signal, as you're coming off, check the blind spot. And I hope watching this video, it should help you to understand fully how to drive on roundabouts, how to deal with roundabouts, the lanes, signaling, the blind spot. Do let me know in the comment if it does help. And like I said, do let me know if your test is coming up. Mirror, mirror, we're going to go right. Signal right. It's a mini one. I'm going to go right. Second exit. Slow the car. I'm going to go to first gear. Why is that? Because it's so narrow, I need to go really slowly. Really slowly. And I didn't signal to come off. I don't need it. Yeah? So on this mini roundabout, we wanted to go right. I went to first gear. Why? Because it was so narrow and so small that it wouldn't have, second gear would have been too high speed. I needed to go really slowly with the clutch control. This roundabout coming up, I'm gonna go straight on. Slow the car, slow the car. Look on my right, look on my right, nobody there. Keep going. Also, there was a zebra crossing, so there was no one crossing. Be careful with that. I'm gonna go right on these roundabouts. Second gear, and I'm gonna go really slowly because it's a mini one. Mirror, mirror. I don't need to signal. I still look at the mirrors, but no signal like I said, because it's too small. Okay? So I hope this video helps. If it does, please do give it a thumbs up. And please do make a comment. What do you think of the video? And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.